Are you of age to be driving in a race car? All right, bet. Sounds like a plan. 1, 2, 3. Is that a tome, doc? Oh! Oh! Oh, he going down. What's up, guys? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another vlog. Today we are going to be going to Adam LZ's open house meet. Peep the drip real quick. Nice little drip check. Got the chill OG Vans on with the Supreme bag and, you know, little Supreme. But anyways, about to have some fun at this meet today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are new, subscribe. It's your boy Nick Stacks. Let's get into the video. We're kind of late right now. Let me see what time it is. 12:44. Yeah, we're late as fuck. I was zooming. Damn, man, who brought the fucking Nismo out here? That's crazy.
This is hot. Look at him.
That's crazy, man. Yeah. Linked up with the boys real quick.
What up, big dog?
Man, what's goody, what's goody?
How you been, big dog?
Well, I didn't even see you put those. Okay. Okay. My nigga. Hey yo, if you want, hey yo, if you want to slide, you gotta have that gas money, yo. Yo, are you of age to be driving in a race car? All right, bet. Sounds like a plan. Yeah, we up. Yeah. Holding on for his goddamn life. One, two, three. Away, 4 miles. Ooh, chaser! Oh! Yo! Did you see? That's crazy. You did that shit, bro. So sad.
I need my fucking phone.
Oh. Rest in peace, phone.
Found that bitch. Back on the Adam shit?
Yeah. Is that a tome, doc? Yes, sir. just seen Cletus. Guess what? We seen Cletus, boys. He's in the fucking clickbait patrol car. This shit is stealthy. Oh, somebody getting bagged. Oh, something happened in this bitch.
Shit like that.
Oh, guy getting arrested. Oh, he going down. Keep going straight. Weekend Bandit. You got Lambos. It's goody. Yeah, right here. Yo, we here, boys. We made it. Not that boy Z Blurry. That shit is clean. Whoo.
I would have never thought of like a pink car with a blue.
Hell yeah.
Stop. If it was black, if all the black trim was silver, it would have died. Yeah, it would have
Good.
What's good, G? How you doing?
Chillin'.
You vlogging, bro?
Yes, sir.
You vlogging?
Yes, sir.
Vlog too, bro.
Yes, sir.
Catch me in
Where the
the
car
vlog.
at, man? You ever bring the car out here? Damn, this shit is clean. Oh, fuck.
Get out the car.
Yo, we gotta go back over there, nigga. That shit is clean as fuck. Damn. Damn. They got the Lambo out here. That's fire. Yo, that's what I said. That shit go hard. Oh, he drifted that shit. You seen that? Damn. Static. He can't get up that. He gonna have to go fucking slanted. Skirt, skirt. Static gang. Golly. Golly. This shit's clean. Damn. LS, baby. Golly. No. That boy Divine Media. No, that boy Ricer Miata. That's what's up. Jimmy Oaks. PR Beauty. Cletus shit. FPS shit. Alberto Big Boost. Damn. It's crazy. Huh? Yeah, you already know I gotta get the drift missile. It's only right. No, and the Skyline, and the Chaser. This is all Adam LZ's cars. Types of shit. Yo, what's good? You ignore?
What's going on, bro? How's everything, man?
Chillin', chillin'.
I'm glad I'm not the only, like, dude, you're tall too, bro.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you. Pre-review was good.
Gotta do it for tall people real
Bro,
quick.
have you seen Cletus? He's massive.
Yeah, I seen him rolling with Clickbait Patrol car.
Yeah, dude, he makes me feel like a midget, bro.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Nice to meet you, man.
Dang, Zeroy. This is crazy. Supra. Whew. Bro, I want to paint my wheels that color so bad.
No, he just walked past us. He's finding whoever Jimmy is, and then he's coming
Soon, boys. Soon. This shit crazy out here, not gonna lie. It's mad thick. Huh? Yeah, over there, right? About to head to the action. Huh? Hmm? Oh man. Bro, I just got a thing for white cars. Ooh. Classic Z. That's crazy. Where it all started. That's nice. That's a nice color. Shit is stupid, bro. Holy fuck.
You want that tucked in the front?
Yeah, that's an accomplishment in itself.
I love my 2JZ. I like that. Yeah, I see why you love it. Hold on, let's go back here real quick. Fucking Mickey Thompson's on that bitch. We going in the garage. Trailer is flooded. Now we good. Yo, them niggas are track stars. Yo, they walking dummy fast.
I'm saying it is.
Damn. I thought you was gonna bring the whip back. Nah, I'm just playing. This is what I really want. Fuck all the bullshit. Fuck the Z. Fuck all that. I'm trying to go kooky. Right hand drive. Ooh, SVT. We're good. Good looks. We out of here, boys.
We are out of here.
It's a wrap. Looks like we're about to fuck up out of here.